Honestly, I don't know what I'm gonna do. I like probably not Westjet or Air Canada.
That middle seat on flights has been left empty for months, allowing flyers to physically distance. But now Canada's two biggest airlines are ending that policy, and that has ticket holders feeling very nervous. Some people on social media saying they've now canceled flights because of the change. Some want refunds. This man says on a recent flight he was worried even though there was space.
So yeah, like sniffling or sneezing, or who knows if they were sick or not. But
The airlines point to health recommendations from the International Air Transport Association. The trade group called for an end to in-flight physical distancing rules last month, proposing a range of other measures instead. But some people say it's nothing short of a growing hunger to restore revenues.
It's always about money, isn't it?
while everyone else is at risk, they're just worried about their profits. They want to fill the whole plane, right?
The new policies also undermine Transport Canada's guidance to airlines that physical distancing is a key factor in preventing the spread of COVID-19 on flights. After an essential deadlock for months, Canadian travel is becoming more of a reality. Epidemiologists say airflow in airports and cabins is what's crucial. Once the virus is on your flight, it has a chance to spread. And then there's always the X factor of asymptomatic carriers of the virus. But an infectious diseases expert says filling flights isn't necessarily life or death.
Through the selection of travelers by a screen for symptomatic illness and the use of appropriate personal protective equipment, we will be reducing risk.
I trust that if the companies are taking that decision, that they've really thought about what responsibility they'll have to take legally if there is an increase of COVID outbreaks. So I would be trusting of them.
The changes come into effect on July 1st, so as of Canada Day, passengers will have a closer neighbor in flights. In Calgary, Taylor Braat, City News.